Today, it's a very special day because Kukirin was kind enough to send us this beast, which is the Kukirin G4, and a lot of people have been asking me, should I get the G2 Master? Should I get the G4? Well, today we're gonna unbox this beast and we're gonna find out once and for all which one is better. We also have the cameraman here and let's get into the unboxing. Oh, and it's another box. And the dog just came here. Let's hope I don't cut anything. Okay. Okay. Oh, we got the IKEA bag.
Well, that's new.
Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got the average user manual.
You threw the manual at me.
Yeah, and we got some... Oh, come here. Look what they gave me. 2 spare nut covers.
My G4 misses once.
Here we have the charger. Bro, what are you doing? Oh.
Give me.
No! What are you doing?
Say goodbye to G4.
No! So we got a 67... 6.7! Look at, we got a 6.7 charger.
Brain root.
Bro, what the hell are you doing? Interesting. Let's remove plastic. What are you doing?
I impaled it!
Okay, so now I believe we should unfold it, right?
You should back it up. Oh.
Is it straight?
Kind of.
We also have the fender here. So let's lift this up.
Wait, you're coming to me!
Wow, the steering feels so much better.
What do you mean?
It's way stiffer.
Oh, I want this on my G4 too!
You see, it's
wow,
like a...
they fixed the steering!
Yeah, they fixed the steering. Let's power it on, right? Oh.
Yeah, it's drained.
It's drained, okay.
Wow! The G4 sound.
77
and
with
77 with 3 lines, like.
Quit little white helmet approved. Let's do a durability test.
What do you mean a durability test? Oh wait! Ooh, I love this part. I played my part.
Yep. So while we're here, we should talk about this scooter specs because honestly, it's a beast. So this scooter has dual 160mm brakes, which is an upgrade from the previous 140. It has one single 2000 watt motor, which is a beast. It has a range of almost 80 kilometers from what Kukirin says. And also it has a 60 volt battery, which is...
the masterpiece,
this is the piece de resistance.
Exactly.
It's amazing. So we're gonna let this charge and we're gonna take it for a spin. So it's been a very rainy week and we couldn't film anything. Finally, we got outside.
After a week of hurricanes.
After a week of like hurricanes, like thunderstorms.
Florida last year. You know?
Exactly. It's very sunny. It's very nice as you can see. And we're gonna go into a forest. Let's go. We go that way. How do you feel about the Teveran?
The Teveran?
Yeah.
You know, I like the handlebars. It's large and stable, but the suspension, I think these are the best suspensions.
Ah, you like the suspension?
They're 100% the best suspension.
We're in October and they already got the Christmas lights.
Yeah, what's happened to the system?
I have no idea. I guess they must be really expecting the Christmas.
Like,
it's red. Roșu, bă!
He's red, man. Why they always do this?
Why are you taking my car?
You don't have brakes anymore?
No.
Bro, don't have brakes.
The brake petrol.
Bro, the brake petrol. Oh my god.
I thought that was a car.
Me too. Oh, it's a green light.
I really like mine.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I fixed them.
it's super.
I'm mechanic.
I'm a mechanic.
Left. We go left. Use your signals, dumbass.
I don't need signals.
What the hell is doing?
What is your horn?
Huh?
What is your horn? You made fun of my horn when I had the
I don't have a horn.
What is your horn? Come on.
I don't have.
Sound it.
I don't have.
Sound it.
I don't have a horn.
It's a toy. Almost enter the crosswalk.
See, if
Almost
you're a
enter the
dumbass,
sidewalk.
you're a dumbass.
Come on. Come on, sound it.
I don't have a horn.
Alright, I'm gonna sound it for you. I'm gonna press it for him. Oh, whoa, whoa. You're sabotaging me. I'm going to make a connection.
Oh, okay, I honk it, I honk it.
Yeah, yeah, uh-huh.
What are you doing?
Toy ass horn.
In the back? I just took it. Short.
Bro, what is this traffic?
I have, that's what I was saying.
We can't even make a top speed.
Yeah. Why is that
Fine,
car
fine.
smoking? The car is smoking.
Which car?
Look.
The Passat?
Yeah, not the one, that one. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my
oh,
god.
that is a health hazard. Oh, oh,
We got
oh.
school in front.
oh, it's,
Oh, this one also. Oh,
Oh.
my god.
we're full of diesel.
Oh.
Oh my god. Bro's gassing us.
Come on, go, go,
Oh,
go.
wait. Come on, stop. G4 versus Severan. Come on.
Okay. Goodbye. This thing has some power, honestly. Like 64 kilometers an hour. Holy shit. And it's so stable. Compared to the last version, the 2024 version, this is insane. Like the stability and everything is so damn nice.
The top speed on this, how much you think it is?
I don't know.
58.
58?
Yeah.
Well, I got 68.
10 kilometers difference, not that
Yeah,
big.
yeah, 10 kilometers. No
10
biggie.
kilometers of difference, nothing. But the kids were really enjoying
Yeah, they really were.
our present.
70 kilometers an hour and got 45 kilometers of range. Like, it's something. It's definitely something. 68 kilometers an hour. Honestly, light work for this Kukirin G4. Whoa! I was looking at your camera. Oh, he wants to race, huh? I will race you. Bye bye, loser! What the hell was that?
Goodbye, fucker!
What?
What?
So this is the Teveran Blade Mini, which is the poor edition, from what I understand,
What do you mean the poor edition?
like the broke boy edition.
It's a daily e-scooter, come on. To
500 watts.
500 watts, 1000 watts, like a
That's
GT
all I've
Max.
got to say. 500 watts.
You try it and you will see why this is a Teveran. It's
Okay,
really
and you
goddamn
try my
heavy.
G4, okay?
Right.
Okay, let's go. So, oh, okay. So, it's not incredibly fast, like it's not G2 Master, but it's quite nice. Actually, it's quite decent. Oh, he's really having fun with my G4. The brakes are a death wish.
Yeah, the brakes are the biggest downside of this
The
e-scooter.
brakes, I have never seen something as bad as this. Like,
So you like my e-scooter?
It has
yeah, and you like mine too.
Eh,
it has better
it's okay.
brakes.
Fucking hater.
Alright, let's go back. Alright, let's go. We have to test them on off-road.
Yeah.
We have to test the
What?
Teveran suspension.
Bro,
on
the
off-road.
G4 is a street scooter.
Bro.
They have multiple purposes.
Come on, off-road test on the Kukirin G4. It has street tires, by the way, so I don't know if this is a great idea. Maybe I'll get a flat. I have no idea, but wow, actually, oh no, actually not. Holy shit. Ah, okay, this does not feel good at all. Like, oh, holy. Oh my god. Woo!
kilometers an hour.
Surprisingly, this thing handles off-road insanely well. I got 54 kilometers an hour. I'm gonna use his G2 Master just to start up the drone.
You're using it as a launch pad?
Yeah. Bro, what? Let me go up this hill in echo. Let's see. I mean, kind of.
The car is coming.
Whoa, whoa, my short, whoa, whoa.
Oh my god. Oh. That's really. Oh my god. Oh, that's really tough, man. Is that tough?
You almost got killed by the
I
Dacia.
got killed by that guy. Yeah, the grandpa was speeding.
Exactly. Here we go. Here we go fast. So, my camera ran out of storage, unfortunately. So, we're gonna have to split up, I guess. So, that's it for this video. Should you buy the Kukirin G4? Honestly, yes, definitely. Please buy it.
I still like the Master more, but